Today I'm going to show you GIVI totally waterproof side bags for motorcycle, 8 liters. I have this set. This one is empty, so I keep it here, and this one I have it fully packed. I have everything I need here for in case of rain. I'm going to show you how it looks from the outside. Here it has straps so you can adjust it on your motorcycle. I don't have it right here with me because I had another patent on my motorcycle. This is how it is from the bottom. You can see from here the straps can pass by, and let's open it. Oh, also in here you can grab it like this when you take it from the motorcycle. I open here, I open from the sides. As I told you before, it is fully packed. It has a scratch on the top, not easy to open, and this is good. Okay, inside I have a light raincoat, which I can wear it also when I'm off the motorcycle. I have a light jacket, not motorcycle jacket, a light one with feathers, so I can use it. As I told you, this set is not only when I'm on motorcycle. If I'm cold, I can wear the light feather jacket, but I can wear them also when I'm walking. Okay, and here I have a set of total waterproof protection, a jacket which is big and heavier than the other one I got, and also the trousers. All this can be packed in the 8 liters. 8 liters. It is I'm sorry if my English are not so good. Its capability. This is how it looks from the inside. The quality is top. It's totally waterproof. The material is, I think it's best quality, durable in time. Okay, and from inside everything is everything is done so not any water can come in. And now I'm going to put them again, but I'm not going to fully pack it. I'm keeping inside only my heavy waterproof protection for the motorcycle. And this is how you close it. You seal it from here, and you have to do this so no rain comes inside. This on top is also adjustable. Now that it's not fully packed, I can do it like this. And this was the set. This is totally empty. I have nothing inside. It can be used on motorcycles, inside bags. This was today's video. Thank you for watching.